it? I'm sorry. What is it?
The snow? You touch it?
Gonna get it? Let it go. You can drop it. There you go.
She doesn't know what to do.
Is it fun?
Riley refuses to move. Come on, Riley. Let's go. Come on, baby. Ah, there we go. Come on. Yay! Come on. What do you think of the snow? What do you think? You want to touch it? Come on. Touch. Woo. Woo. Touch. Do you want to eat it? No? Go inside? Yes.